Welcome to Upscale. In this video, I will show you how to upscale image to 8K resolution online, free, without watermark. To do that, search upscale image or upscale pics. You'll find many results. Let's try this one, upscalepics.com. So from this website, click upload image. Let's select this image. From here, you can upscale it to 4K or even 8K. I'll keep it 4K. Once you adjust size, click Upscale button. After image processing is done, click Download button. And here is the processed image in 4K quality. This was the original image, and this is processed image. If you go to their pricing page, free plan is free forever. It gives you 5 credits per day, and you can upscale up to 36 MP, upscale up to 8x. So it's a cool service for free, where you get free credits daily. Similarly, if you need more options, you can search upscale image in Google and you will find many services. There are many free websites. Some are AI powered that allow you to enhance photo quality for free. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.